Sydney's practicing for her Easter egg hunt. She's got her basket. Oh, where are they? Yeah, get them. Oh, what a big girl. Get it. Oh, boy. There you go. Good girl. She's got one egg. See if she can find the next one. Good job, Sydney. Oh, she's got this down. Is this easy? Sydney's 15 months. Almost 16 months. It's her first Easter egg hunt season. She's training. She's going to be doing lots of hunts. Oh, did you see one? Good girl, Sid. Wow. Good job. Oh, that's a big basket, huh? Oh, did you see another one? Good job. Let's see. Is there any more over there? There's one over there. Oh, so busy. Good girl. Okay, say bye. You say bye?
Bye.